right, so we had an idea of doing just boxes.
I saw you with a box. What was in the box?
Boxes that would contain, you know, live twigs and sticks in the middle, and kind of have it framed on the wall with a little bit of a epoxy resin background to give it a nice pop. So let's go make some boxes.
Oh, what's in the box?
So we got this little hard stop set up just so we can throw this piece of wood in, put it right up against there, and we know it's gonna be at the same length every time.
All right, so these are the box frames that we've made here. They're made out of poplar, got them all put together, sanded down, most of the glue kind of scraped out, and we're planning on putting these panel edges on the back side here to kind of give it a nice wooden grain background with an epoxy layer of resin in the middle there. It'll be like a really pretty green.
All right, so we got our box.
Oh, what's in the box?
This is all set to pour the epoxy. The inside of it is stained with clear coat. We're hoping that's gonna help when we actually do pour the epoxy, just to prevent bubbles. The back is glued and nailed on. We're gonna be trying this Total Boat epoxy for the first time. I've heard a lot of really good things about it. This one's just gonna be an equal part. We also have this eye candy bonsai green pigment that we're gonna use. Looks really nice, so really excited to see what the color looks like when we get this poured up. We have pretty much everything set and ready to go. As I'm pouring it, I am going to be using this level to make sure that it's level, obviously. I also have a space heater right behind the camera that I'm going to be throwing in between these guys just to keep it a little bit warmer and hope this epoxy settles a little bit quicker. But we got everything ready, so let's get going. All right, it's been curing for a few days now. They're looking really good. They kept that swirl really nicely. All right, so we got our resin all poured. These boxes are looking good. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up all these edges, probably stain the outsides, and then go ahead and start installing the tree branches in them, get them finished up.
All right, so we're just chopping down the branches to get a nice fit where we want to place everything. We got a good little starter piece here. Probably make it live right here, kind of on the right-hand side. And yeah, just kind of marking it out to find out exactly where we want to place this for a good fit in the box.